In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Google Docs. This simple process can help you customize your workspace to match your linguistic preferences, whether you're working with collaborators from different regions or just prefer to operate in a different language yourself. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Docs. This is our starting point. Once you're in, take a look at the upper left-hand corner of your screen. You should see 3 horizontal lines there, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This action opens up a sidebar where you'll notice various options. But the one we're interested in right now is the gear icon. Yes, the one that represents settings. Please click on that gear icon. Now a settings window will pop up on your screen. What we're focused on here is the language section. Under this section, you should see the current language setting displayed. For many users, this might be set to English by default. If you're planning to change it, you'll see that the language you're using right now is highlighted in blue. Clicking on this blue text will allow you to make changes. Next to your current language, there's a pencil icon. This is your edit button. Click on it, and it will take you to a new area where you can add or change your preferred language. If, for example, you want to switch over to Spanish, you can start by typing Spanish into the search bar. It's important to note that Spanish has various dialects, so you'll see options like Mexican Spanish or Argentinian Spanish. For this demonstration, let's choose Argentinian Spanish. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save. This action finalizes your choice and alters the language setting of your Google Docs interface. Here's a handy tip. If you ever want to revert to your previous language, you'll find it conveniently listed at the bottom of your current language selection. This makes toggling back and forth between languages a breeze. And there you go, you've successfully changed the language settings in Google Docs. This process can be incredibly helpful for anyone working in multilingual environments or for those who just want to use their preferred or native language while working. If you found this guide useful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day customizing your Google Docs experience.